Good morning, my beautiful people in Israel. Blessed, blessed morning. Good morning. Today's date is the 7th of March 2025. This is the voice of MC for Bulldozer from BKM. Fellow citizens, today I can't talk about David Schengen. You know, some folks now certain forum they were belong. And even some of my friends them, people that they ask, Bulldozer, why you they support David Schengen? You know APC. In fact, yesterday, one or two SLPP young guys attack me. When it comes to SLPP, let me left the problem to them. Me not APC. But you know, when somebody make a statement like that, I know it's out of ignorance. So I take time educate them or educate them, say, listen, a political party is a public property. When a form a political party is the property of the people of Australia. Today, I decide for Goro Stars and SLPP, I'm welcome. If they don't accept it, I can sue them. Because not to them get her. Nobody owns a political party. In fact, that was the fight for the past 5-6 years. We will be deeper in order for rebrand our APC party. And finally, we succeeded getting a new constitution. Is it perfect? No, no constitution is perfect. But time goes on, you know, we amend that little by little. But anyway, let me come to David Schengen. You know, people don't understand. I respect the young man. So much so that I don't believe say he want to give back to society, to Mama Salon. You know, we live in America, but also all understand how the West they operate. The West, how do they operate? Then gets a system. Be it university, technical school, or whatever institution where they put premium on. You know, in America, we get 5 universities that we're not dead in the train leaders. You know, the other day, somebody they asked me, Bulldozer, if they give Salon, you know, they ever able to serve the people? I said, no. He said 3 years. I said 6 months. Not supposed to. You go see changes in Salon. You know, because I studied the system that the West will make them succeed. You know, let me come to the 5 universities them where the West put, well, America put premium on. Anybody who them train there, then they train you as a leader. It can be a medical doctor, it can be a law professor, it can be an engineer, it can be a scientist. Which are these universities? One, you get Yale, Harvard, MIH, Princeton. I think the other one is Johns Hopkins. Yes, these are the 5 universities there where they put premium. Not to say that university is not good, though. Of course, we get Georgia in Washington here. We get them plenty. We get Maryland University in Maryland. But these are the 5 universities where they put premium. Anybody will come out there. Now, for let's say you graduate from Harvard. Any institution where you go, they are ready to give you a job. So I see this young man. Honestly, if this young man be want, David Schengen want an international job, he get up. Due to the institution where he go through. If I didn't go help him. But he choose for go help Salon. He choose for go work Salon. Who did they do that? Look at that young man in age. You got some young guys out there at the age, they prefer for work for international community. Yeah. I hope Mr. Salon people they understand me. And if I see 2 cuckoo ladies them, then they go after them. As a young man, they just want for demean them, bully them. It is unacceptable. I hate bully. Also, say because when I get two balloons on a chest, when I feel so that I can bully anyone. You know, you can bully man, but not to the way what Fatima Bio refer to His Excellency President Bio Minister said. That's very derogatory, very disrespectful. You dey go call you president in able lieutenant then dogs. These are grown-up men. When they get family. But Fatima Bio, come on, man. Not to say you get small power, you feel you have it all. Now, when you get power, when God give you power, give you anything money, humble. You can talk to people there like say, I don't understand. You don't understand Sierra Leone. I swear to God, you don't understand Sierra Leone. You know, understand? With due respect to other people there, you grow up in a corner, even free time. You just pass through there for ferry way for go London. And I know you very well. All right? I know you very well. You know, when we all get humble beginning, when God elevates you, continue to be humble. And let me say this. I have no problem of women running for the high office. But I therefore be women with substance. Yes. They therefore be women with substance. Not to cuckoo head them or jack and deal because a woman who they put in that office and no. Like I said, people must listen to Bulldozer. 2028 election at the beginning of changes in Sierra Leone. Yes. Then I can't get into this university thing, of course, before continue. In Britain, you have Cambridge and Oxford. When you graduate from their university, then they fend for a job any side where you go. Because they know what they put there. So those are the things. One person they ask me, what they go do in a salon? Those are the model. If me be president of salon, what they follow. We don't guys from a college, one of the antennas of Africa. Yes. And they put premium on that university. We find one at the east, we find one at the south, one at the north. We strengthen the university then. So anybody who come on there, that's why they go buy results, you know, you get from Merita. That's how the system is built here. And let me shock you now with other things. Everything at this world, whether I believe it or not, is spirit. Human beings, we are spirit. We are spirits. The trees, the sea, the leaves, we are all spirits. And there are certain people the way they be in their uniform. Because the time, the day, and the month of the born, due to the cosmos arrangement, they are special people. Those are the people we call choosing one. It can be a musician, it can be a politician, it can be an orator, it can be a pastor, it can be an imam. Those are choosing one. And let me shock you now with other things. The world is very spiritual. We don't know. United States of America, the most powerful country on earth. Every president who wants to go for president, they visit a small island called Haiti. You know why? They look at the way manner where the Haitians they defeat the French. That's a France be so powerful. And Britain they compete. Yes. So the United States leaders and they look and say, this country must have a spiritual power. Secretly, then they visit Haiti. You know, I know, right? You got to belong somewhere before you know these things. We get it Freemason society here. In fact, there's a street now, DC, by Massachusetts Avenue. If I wait enter that street, it's called be careful, Freemason. The first time I go there because of his spirit, I know how I feel. I don't say not to ordinary people that live there. And let me come to Sierra Leone. People don't understand. I'm from Kase. That small place they want to see. Rogbalan, who by Burebon, then a village where I go through. And my head over there better inside castle. It's highly spiritual. When I see the last years I them go there in Sabura, I laugh. These are spirits and get people them, certain people them. Whoa, then they accept. People don't understand. So some of us are spiritually inclined. Nobody able to do nothing. Fellow comrades, I decide for you now this message today for them to understand life. David Shenge, please, Fatima, leave him alone. If I see David Shenge, I'm going to make you fall. That behavior where you go put up now, calling your husband, a minister as a dog, then they receive brown envelope. You did damage the SLP people. But anyway, we're not SLP people, we're not a power way. Yes? Now, I make all man get your order. If you're not to massacre Nakra, we just grab, say, people for pay under 45,000, the million village people them. It go be Sandy, where they can minister order one for thief them people they land. Now, then a minister of work. Or it go be anti-corruption boss, where they go, where they get a case. Look, yesterday they come with other distraction. They left parental. They left most of the SLP ministers, their proper ministers, where they thief money. Now they say they go to the mayor. I'm not condoning corruption, but what is good for the ghost is also good for the gander. You know, for bring selective justice. And if I, by the way, Ben can follow, you cannot distract us. There's a cocaine case. What I need for tell you, what I involve. Fellow citizens, if I don't say listen this morning, I go left without this beautiful message. I thank you very much for listening. May God bless the Republic of Australia. To me Muslim brothers, then Juma Mubarak. You all have a blessed day. Thank you. Please help me share.